Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can add your website in your profile in Pinterest. First of all, let's go to the bottom right corner where the saved is, this option, and now to the top right corner where this little hexagon is. Now we want to go to edit profile, and as you can see there's a website. Now we can add the link to our website. We just press and we paste the link we previously copied from the YouTube. In this case, we press done, and as you can see, profile is updated. It will maybe take a while for it to change. It depends really on how busy the servers are. For example, it may take a couple of minutes for your photo to get uploaded, but for website or about or your name, it's basically very easy. So that's about it. Hopefully you'll find it useful.